I love supporting small businesses. So when I recently heard of a new glitter company, of course, I had to jump on it. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a collab with Galaxy Glitters, as well as an unboxing and a resin craft. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you'd like to see, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you could, smash that like button. It'll certainly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here we are, and we're gonna go ahead and open this package first. I'm so excited. Okay, let's pull out everything. Okay. So I did get a thank you card, and it's really cute. She has really nice packaging. So excited about this. So excited. Now, if you go on their website, they have all kinds of glitters and mica powders. They have molds. I mean, all kinds of everything. I love their website. I love the website layout. So the website is going to be www.galaxyglitterllc.com, and they also have a TikTok and an Instagram and a Facebook group. So everything will be linked in the description box down below. So, and they are offering first-time shoppers to use the code WELCOME, that's capital WELCOME, to get 10% off of an order starting at $15 or more. And then, you know, they offer a lot of different things on their website. So I did check out her website and look over her stuff before doing everything, because you know me, I like quality products. So, but this was exciting collab for me. Okay, so first she sent this cow keychain mold. So we'll be using that today. I'm super excited about that. She sent me some mica powders. This is Galaxy Purple, Blushing Bride. And if you can see that shift, it's pretty. And then we got a purple green chameleon. And then we got some rose gold glitter. We got some sunburst glitter. This is ultra fine. It's very pretty. And Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This is an absolutely beautiful mix of holographic glitter, all the way from small to large. We got some Red Hot, and it looks like it's also a personalized mix. A very beautiful mix. We got Freedom, and this is red, white, and blue, and it's very pretty. We'll be using that today. And then we got a Honeycomb, which y'all know me, I love bees. I love honey. I love honeycomb patterns, stuff like that. I've done a lot of honeycomb stuff on my channel, so I'm excited for this, and it matches really good. And then we got Ice Queen, which is a very beautiful mix of like silver, holographic, and an icy blue color. So she does really good on her mixes. They do not come in bags like this. They actually come in containers, or some of them do, I think, from what it was looking like on her website. And after speaking to her, I'm pretty sure they come in containers, or maybe you can order the bags. I'm not sure about that part, but I'm super excited about this. Okay, so I'm gonna use a cup today because I'm mixing quite a bit of resin. We are going to mix our thick one in first, and of course I am using the extreme resin today, as I normally do. Actually, I'm thinking about doing like head-to-head resin testing. So like, if you would like to see that, let me know in the comment section. But I always get like comments and questions on what resin I'm using and the best way to use it and stuff. And don't forget, we do have a giveaway going on. The giveaway is still going on. I did extend it because of everything that's going on in my personal life. I'm not sure if y'all know this or not, but we should be moving within the next month or so, hopefully. My mom recently passed away, so I've been having to deal with all that, and I've been having a hard time with that. And then, you know, school's ending, and I have 4 children, and I work full time, and I have a lot going on, so just bear with me on the giveaway. I'm still doing it. It hasn't been a whole lot of people enter. So if y'all would like to enter that in, it would be in the comment or in the description box as well. I encourage y'all to enter. It is a $300 giveaway. That looks thoroughly mixed. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to get our cups, and I'm only gonna use a few of these. I wanna use this purple green shift, and I wanna use this Galaxy purple. And then I'll use this one on another project probably. I want to use this rose gold color, this freedom color, and this twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, so we're gonna, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors, so we're gonna pull them apart like that. Okay, we'll grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 popsicle sticks, and let's see, we're gonna use this bracelet mold I have. I want to use this cow mold that we got. I also have this Texas mold I want to use, and then I want to make a bookmark and a diamond. Alright, so I don't know if y'all know this or not, but me and rose gold have a special relationship. It's my favorite gold, and of course everybody loves hollow. If you don't love hollow, what planet are you from? And I don't want to visit there. Okay, so we're gonna use about that much hollow, or twinkle twinkle little star, and it's holographic mixed. I absolutely love these mixes, you guys. Oh my goodness, like, and these are pretty unique mixes too. Like, you don't find these at very many places, so that's a good thing. All right, we're gonna do rose gold, and I'm just pouring them from the package. I do have glitter spoons, but I didn't bring them in here. I think that's, and a lot of people ask me how much glitter I use. I just go by feel, really. I just think like what I'd like to use and just go like that. Like, I don't have a certain amount of how much glitter I use to which proportion or not. So I don't really ever like measure out. Alright, so with mica powders, like, you can either mix it in with the resin or you can brush it on the mold. I mix mine in more than I brush it on the mold unless I got like certain details that I want. So we're just gonna do like that. And that is the Galaxy purple. And then we are going to use this purple green Chameleon. And I really want to do this on this cow mold. So just do a little bit. And mica powder typically goes a long way. I've never used these mica powders, but they look like they're good quality. So we're gonna start with that, and then if we need to add more, we will. Okay, so let's give this one more good stir. And I'll pour this in here. Remember to use your protective equipment when working with resin. I know I don't have mine on. I did bring it in here, I just haven't put it on yet. It is very important that you protect yourself while using epoxy. Protect your eyes, protect your breathing, and most importantly, and protect your skin. I don't think enough people stress the protection part of it enough. I know I don't, and it's very important because you can just, as a human, you can form allergies to anything at any moment. Like, and epoxy is no different, and it is a chemical. So just make sure that whenever you are working with different resins or different epoxies, that you are protecting yourself. Oh yeah, that holographic is just freaking beautiful. What's that called again? Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Look at that. That's really pretty. Okay, got that mix. Let's do the Freedom. And Texas's state colors, as y'all know, I'm from Texas, are the same as the United States colors. So I absolutely love red, white, and blue. Always have. So I'm excited to use that one as well. Oh, that rose gold is absolutely stunning. That is beautiful. I hope this is doing this justice. Oh yeah, see that mica powder is super pigmented. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Look at that. I'm excited. Alright. And then let's go ahead and mix this purple and green Chameleon. She's got some really good products here. Like, I really hope y'all go and check her out. And no, this video is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for my opinion. As you know, even if I was, I would tell the truth anyway, because that's just me. I don't recommend bad products, and these products are absolutely amazing. So go check her out. Okay. So that is that. We'll wait for these pieces to dry, and then we'll be back to unmold them. Okay, so we're back, and these are fully cured. So let's go ahead and open this one first. And this is going to be the Purple Galaxy mica powder. It's very cute. Okay, and you can see just the different dimensions in this mica powder. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now let's go into this is the purple green shift one. I don't know if that's doing it justice, but it's very cute as well. No, this isn't the purple green shift. Which one did I use on this one? Yes, this is the purple green shift. Okay, because we did that one, and then we also did the bowl, and this one is the bowl that she has in her collection for her, for her mold, her keychain mold. And if you look at this, it's got a lot of detail. That's a really good mold, and it's really has a nice finish. So I'm really excited about that mold, as you can see. Okay, now let's look at the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star glitter mix. Oh yeah, that's cute. It's a cute little bookmark. And you can see the different dimension in the glitter of these ones as well. Look at that. Sparkle. Let's see if we can get it to focus closer. A little bit. Okay. So now let's look at the Freedom mix. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Look at that. You can see, definitely see the dimension. See if we can get it to focus. Come on, focus. There we go. See the dimension in that. I love that Freedom mix. It's a very good mix. Alright, and then let's unmold the rose gold, which we all know is like one of my favorites. And that's very pretty. And if you hear that, that's my dog deciding she's going to do zoomies around my house. So there's the rose gold one. And it is very, very cute as well. I'm so super excited about this glitter. She has a really great collection. I can't wait to order some of her other ones as well. And there is the mix. I guess because of the rose gold was a little bit lighter or thinner than, like, what do you want to say? A little bit more finer than the holographic one. So it kind of slid up underneath it, but it's a very cute little bookmark. But yeah, so I mean, there's all the pieces. And I absolutely love this glitter collection and this mica powder. I'm super excited also about her molds, so I will be ordering again. And if, like I said, if you want to order anything, any of the glitters or the molds that you've seen on this video today, I will leave links in the description box down below so that you have that opportunity. But as usual, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great night.